I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time.
Halo semua,
Apa kabar?
semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini Mbak Tina Bule dan
Mbak Ana boleh?
mau latihan joget TikTok karena kemarin kita sudah bikin account TikTok, tapi kita akan belum upload nih. Jadi we wanna exercise the dance,
Iya.
right? Oke, jadi sambil kita bikin behind the scene buat TikTok, oke?
Yuk.
Oke. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa
Subscribe.
subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya. Let's go. Mbak Tina Bule's Adventure. Oke, Ana. So you remember the dance?
Sedikit.
Sedikit kita ingat jogetnya, jadi kita mau bikin koreografinya. Bukan bikin sih, tapi latihan koreografinya. Siapa tahu bisa improve juga, we can improve too ya. Oke, so how it was? First,
Which one dance you want?
yours first.
Oh,
Jadi
okay.
kita latihan lagunya Ana dulu.
Okay.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Bang. But it's too short.
Iya.
Terlalu pendek dong, jadi kita harus tambah Ana, oke? And then kita lagi bingung, like 2 inches later,
2 inches later.
2 centimeters later.
2 centuries later.
Face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard.
Not like this.
Okay.
Ana mah inventif banget. Ayo better like this.
Okay, yeah.
Bang.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
from the beginning.
It's been hard. You know I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard. But there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days. And I'm calling.
Amazing, guys.
And finish, beautiful.
Luar biasa.
Better Macarena, no?
Yes, now kita akan latihan Macarena. Lagu ini mungkin baru buat orang Indonesia, tapi buat kita setiap party atau acara keluarga atau teman-teman gitu, pas kumpul pasti kita joget Macarena. Okay, are you ready?
Of course,
I will teach you. Or you know?
a little bit.
Okay. Ta-ta-na-nam, ta-na-nam, ta-na-na, 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 ta-na-na.
And after?
Hey, Macarena.
And after we go.
Hey, Macarena, Macarena.
Coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming.
Amazing.
This
Jadi
one is
tapi,
better.
iya tapi, you know I'm thinking, is it good to put it together like this?
Macarena bigger.
Jadi kita lagu Macarena and Justin Bieber. Let's try.
If not, we will
Tapi di kepala saya,
think
it's
about
not,
new dance.
in my head doesn't look good.
No.
Bingung lagi. Or let's just do it so we can make 2 dances then. Jadi kita punya 2 opsi dance, okay guys? Pertama yang Ana yummy yummy, dan kedua lebih ke tomboy Mbak Tina Bule, oke?
Okay.
Okay, let's go Ana with your dance.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you. I'm coming home to you.
Amazing. Udah gitu aja. Oke, jadi sekarang karena udah lumayan bagus, kita sudah siap mulai record for TikTok beneran ya. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Ready or
Jadi,
not? Here I come.
we put out the phone We open TikTok, like it's already open. Maaf lagunya tadi, cuma 2 detik, nggak apa-apa. Okay, and now we are going to make makarena dulu ya.
Iya.
Okay, take another one. Okay, Ana. So kita taruh HP-nya di sini di bawah. Okay, boleh ya? Boleh. Okay, wait, timer. Kita punya
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's all with you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's all with you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Oke, jadi joget yang pertama sudah. Bagus enggak ya? Kita sekarang lanjut ke dance kedua yang viral banget di TikTok juga, itu yang tangannya kayak tangan emoji gitu. Oke, it's called emoji challenge. Oke lah, jadi kita mulai ya. Oke, ready? Oke.
Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping secrets?
Oke, lagu kedua, bukan lagunya, jogetnya kedua, joget tangan gitu akan selesai juga. Oke, musiknya akhirnya berhenti juga. Dan keren kan? Udah ikut belum ini emoji challenge? Karena seru banget. Ini tangannya cuman Ana yang terakhir, yang dari sini ke sini dia belum bisa dapat.
From here to
Here
and
this, because you're just doing like tam 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 tam, you put it down and after you just turn it. This.
Ampun.
Coba sekali.
Oh, yang tuh tiring.
Okay, we repeat one more time.
Yeah, okay.
You want? Okay.
Oh.
Without music or with music straight?
Without, let's
Without,
try.
okay.
1, 2, 3, 2.
Tam 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 tam.
Okay.
Okay. Ready with music?
Ready.
Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping?
Oke lah, jadi
Century later.
Ana nggak bisa banget jadi lagu ini, tapi lumayan sih, you're okay.
No,
Just
okay,
dia nggak
of course
ngerti.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
So, enough?
Enough?
Not
For me it's enough.
Nanti pas TikTok lo belum siap.
I don't have TikTok maybe. That's why.
Dia bilang karena dia nggak punya akunnya nggak apa-apa, dia yang salah nggak apa-apa. Oke, jadi karena tadi mungkin yang merasa kayak ya ini jogetnya TikTok seru sih, tapi kita punya joget yang paling seru. It's called Hora din Moldova. Karena omanya Ana dari Moldova dan Moldova juga kemarin it was a part of Romania, jadi kita berdua udah bisa joget this dance. So kita mau kasih lihat bagaimana, siapa tahu nanti bisa masuk TikTok juga. Oke? Are you ready? Jadi kita kasih lihat dulu bagaimana kita harus pegang tangan. Oke, and we go. 1, 2, 3, hop. 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 Itu aja. Tapi seru banget karena pas ada lagunya cepet sekali ya. doi pași înainte și doi la... Asta e... Now we go left. Partea la stânga, partea la dreapta. Asta-i breșeveanca, ce joacă pe la noi. Again. Înainte și doi înapoi. Asta-i breșeveanca. Partea la dreapta. Dan, wait, begitu guys, 5 menit 45 detik. Kalau pernikahan Romania begitu. Serba, ayo. Serba. Nasi, ini kan udah maghrib, jadi sebentar lagi udah gelap juga, jadi kita udah dulu, oke?
Oke.
Kalau suka video ini, jangan lupa
Subscribe,
like dan
komen.
loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah!